Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Stinger Flynn from Garten of Ban Ban. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Stinger Flynn from Garten of Ban Ban, let's begin by making a circle for the eye. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to draw a nice circle shape for the eye. Then I'll make another circle shape right over here, so it's kind of looking off to the side. Then I'll put a small circle shape in here for a reflection. And then I'll just go ahead and color in this part. Now right underneath here, I'm going to make a little curved line. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a big sad face for the head of Stinger Flynn. And then we're going to make some little bumps under here. So we're just going to make some little bumps that go all the way around until they connect to here. Now, we're going to make the tentacles. So I'm going to begin here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. And then it's going to come out. I'm going to bring it back down and then up to here. Same thing here. I'm just going to go down, bring it out. I'm going to curve it around. We're going to come down and back up for that tentacle. Now, let's make one that comes down. We're going to go down and out to here. And then we'll just bring it up. And we'll do another one, kind of the same shape. We're just going to go down, bring it around, and back up. Do the same thing over here. We're just going to go down, kind of make it come out just a little bit, and bring it up. And then same thing here. We're just going to kind of go down, bring it out, and then back up to here. And I'm also going to put a little curved line right above here too. And there you go, there is your drawing of Stinger Flynn. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.